Hi, it's Spider-Man. How is the movie till now?
Well, it was really good. Few confusing bits. If you didn't watch the other movies, then you wouldn't understand a thing in this. It's a really good movie.
Are you enjoying the movie?
Yeah.
Okay, so would you recommend other people to watch the movie?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, thank you so much for giving the movie review.
Ready?
What is happening?
Washroom along the Spider-Man, Superman do. Now let's go and take the movie review from more people. Excuse me, bro. Are you watching a Spider-Man movie? Can you please give the movie review? How is the Spider-Man brand new movie? Is it good movie?
Yeah.
Okay. So are you enjoying the movie?
Yeah. Of course.
Are you Marvel fan? Okay. So you have very nice t-shirt, Spider-Man t-shirt. What's your name? It's the movie interval now, and the movie hall is really beautiful. Ninum Jokordado.
Movie till now from interval, it was really nice. There's a lot of suspense. We're not able to figure out who's controlling who. Spider-Man is going crazy. We're just not able to figure out what's happening there.
I came on Friday, it was so good. I just missed 10 minutes and I came again today. It was so good, man. The movie is crazy. I mean, I know the whole movie. I saw it on Friday. The fighting scenes after the interval, best.
Okay, and you both are Marvel fan,
Yeah.
Spider-Man
I
fan.
watched all the movies.
I watched all the movies twice, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you for the movie review, bro. Enjoy the movie.
Yeah.
Batman kailan meso kali? The movie has ended. Now let's take the final review from more people. Hi bro. How was the movie?
The movie was actually good. But all it was about was a girl. It was based on a girl and Spider-Man's genetics movement.
So how many stars you will give to the movie?
It's actually worth it to see. It's 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5?
Yes.
Okay. Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes.
Would you recommend to people to watch this movie
Yeah, probably kids.
for kids?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you the Marvel fan?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you so much for giving the movie review.
Good.
Did you?
It was a really fun experience, and I would like to wait for Doomsday.
Okay. Would you recommend someone to watch this movie?
What?
Would you recommend someone to?
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
So how many stars you will give?
5 star. 5 star.
6 star.
Thank
6
you.
out of 5. 6 out of 5.
And
6, 7.
was it fun?
Yeah,
it was good.
Very fun.
Thank you. Finally, the Spider-Man brand new day movie has ended. It was a great movie. I would give 4 out of 5. I would highly recommend anyone to watch the Spider-Man brand new movie. It's a great movie for Marvel fans.